Okay, before we start our introduction about our products, I want to first introduce our engineering David to you. So later, he will give us very professional answer about our questions. So David, say hello to everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, so for this product, as you can see, this is one of our unidirectional ventilation system, and you can choose the air volume first. So first, let me ask David, what's the function about this product? 就 David， 我们这个的话有哪两种功能？
第一种基本功能就是说，对新风有一个过滤的处理，形成一个正压的单向送风。另外一款就是在这个基础上，我们增加了一个除湿的模块，可以达到对新风还有这个室内的回风都有一个除湿的一个作用。
Okay. So it has two types about this product. First, it is the product with the ventilation and with the purification system. So it's only one pipe and it is only one positive press supply fresh air. So as you can see, it's only one pipe. And when you use it in the first type, the fresh air from outside and through the pre-filter and through the HEPA filter, so it can clean the air and to give you the fresh air from this pipe to indoor. This is the first. And second, we also can put the compressed air. We also can put the warm compressed air. So this machine can be the function with the dehumidifier. Whatever you want the fresh air or not. If you want the fresh air, we can install in the hole and you can use one pipe. So from the fresh air and we can just remove the water from the air, so it can like be a dehumidifier. So if you don't want to open the pipe from your wall, you just want to use it in the basement, so you can use it like a dehumidifier. So it's like you can exchange your indoor air to dehumidify the air. So this is the two types about our products. I think it's very good and it's very suitable for whatever you want. And next, I want David let us know about how the products can kill the virus. David， 我们想知道这款产品它是怎么能够杀菌的呢？
我们专门在这个设备里面配置了一款有专利技术的包括有检测报告的一款 UV 杀菌装置。
这个是光等离子杀菌是吗？
对的，光等离子杀菌。采取有效的一个波段，无臭氧产生。
Okay, so as David said, we added this photoplasma tool inside, like it can kill the virus with this kind of tools. And also we have the certificate and the efficiency. Let me check. Efficiency that to kill the virus is 90.5%, and it will not produce the ozone from these tools, so it will be very good. And next, I want to ask David, how can I control this product? 那 David， 我们如果说是要控制这个产品的话，是通过什么形式的呢？
就是说，如果是简单的单向送风净化装置的话，就是说可以通过可以通过这个液晶控制器去控制，可以手动，也可以在我的这个新风入口加 PM2.5 传感器。
Okay. So if we want to control this machine, that we have this one like LED display about how about to control this machine, and also we can add a sensor inside, so it can just show you how the air quality in your indoor, and it can, I think, can adjust the fan speed automatically due to the sensor. Let me check with David. 它是可以自动调换吗？是根据那个 PM2.5？
对的。
Yes, that will be good. I think also it can add Wi-Fi function inside, so you can control it by a mobile phone. When you just want back home, you just to close or just open this product. I think that will be good. Okay, next I think we can produce you about our bidirectional system. So let's Debbie give us a product. 那我们下面介绍一下我们的双向流信号系统吧，好吗？ Okay, just give us this product. Okay, as you can see, this one will be larger, and I think the volume of about this product is 250. 这个是250风量的是吗？
对的。
Yeah, this is 250, and as you can see, it has like two follow types about the pipe. So it will be the bidirectional ventilation system. And I want to ask Debbie, what is this? 这个里面的是什么呢？
这个是一个进口的热交换材质，热交换芯体。
那你可以大概给大家介绍一下这个是怎么运作的吗？
它是由2层平行的一个热交换特殊材质的纸、特殊材料组成的，通过排风中的能量渗透到新风中，达到一个能量回收的一个目的。
Okay, so as you can see, we added the heat exchange inside. So what is the heat exchange? The totally difference between the unidirectional ventilation system and the bidirectional ventilation system is we added the heat recovery we added the heat recovery inside. So from the outside air we have the supply air from outside. We have exhaust the here to exhaust the indoor air to outside. So like for example, if we are in the summer and outside air temperature will be 35 and indoor air temperature like the 25. So we through this heat exchange, and we will keep the exhausted air, the energy of exhaust air in this kind of heat recovery, and we can use this energy to down the temperature from outside air, or we can up the temperature. So as I said just now, if we are 25 degrees from outside air, so when the supply air from outside through this heat recovery, it will be like 5 degrees. So the air to indoor, now the temperature is 30, like that. Let me check with Debbie. 我们大概是有5度左右的这个对，
在实验室的条件下就是5度。
Okay, so as we test before, it will be like 5 degrees grow and down for the temperature. So if we have in the 35 degrees from outside temperature, so through this heat recovery, we can just save 5 degrees. So from indoor, the temperature will be 30. So now the temperature in indoor is 25, 30 and 25. It will not influence your feeling about the temperature, and it will not influence the efficiency about the air conditioning. So this is the most important advantage about this bidirectional ventilation system. So yes. Oh, okay. The certificate that David showed me is about the paper in the heat recovery. We imported this from Japan, and as you know, if we use this ventilation system in a space that's full of water, or maybe in the summer, so you may worry about if it will be produced mold inside. So the certificate proves that the heat recovery will the mold approval. So it will not produce the mold inside. So it will be very healthy, or it will be very clean after you use like the several years. So that will be good. Okay. 还有没有什么其他的功能想给我们介绍一下？
就是我们双向流的，要比单向流的，配置更充分一些。像我们这一台，就是带了内循环，带了这个防冷节露的一个功能。就是可以增加双向流，其实可以增加很多功能。就是根据用户的选择去做配置。
Okay, so as David said, you can give us your requirement. Maybe you are yes, you can give us your requirement, and we can, based on your requirement, to adjust the function about this bidirectional ventilation system. So the function will be marginal, more than the bidirectional, unidirectional ventilation system. So if you want to choose, I think maybe this one will be good, and yes. Also, we can just control it by this LED display, and we also can add Wi-Fi inside, and also we can add sensor and photoplasma tools inside to kill the virus. So this one will be really nice. 那我们接下来介绍一下那个另外一款吧。
对。
Okay. So next we will give you another mode about this product. So also, as we can change the air volume as you want. We can customize like 250, and also we can do the 350, also 450. It depends on your home space. So you just give us your requirement, and we can customize it for you. Oh, it's really huge. It's really big. Oh my God. Oh, this is our newest bidirectional ventilation system with the dehumidifier function inside. So let's David give us some instruction. David， 你大概给我们介绍一下吧。
好，这是一款就是说增强型的，带了除湿模块的一款，又带热回收，带净化，基本上包含了我们目前全功能的一款机器。
这还有一个压缩机。
这是风机，
这是风机
，EC 的。
EC 风机。
EC 的。这边是压缩机。
OK。
这是排风侧，这是新风侧。
这是新风，这是排风。
对的。
Okay, so we open this machine and just want to show the structure for you. Okay, the first, 这个是排风，这是新风。
这是新风，这一端是新风。
Okay, for this side it will be the supply for the air, and for that side it will be the exhausting for the air. Okay, as you can see, we can see the two motor inside, and we also have the compressor inside, and with the very big heat recovery tools inside. Okay, so that will be very multifunctional about like you can have the air purifier, also you can have the exchanged air, also you can have one dehumidifier function, and you can kill the virus. Also, you can use the Wi-Fi function to control. So it will be really multifunctional. So, 这个是什么？
这个就是冷凝专门去除湿的模块因为它压缩机系统，我们看刚刚开机的时候，里面还有一些水分就是在把这个，因为潮湿中的空气只有通过降温才能有水析出，就把这个。
这个是排水的是吧？
对，这是专门一个强排水的就是水满了之后不会流到机器里面，里面有个水盘。
OK。
强排水的话，它就是到达这个限位的话，它就直接就排出去了。
Okay. As I said just now, we have the compressor inside. So after the outside air, after we full of the water inside, it will not go through back to the machine. It will just go through with this pipe, so it will be very safe. And you have 有没有其他的想介绍一下的，想跟大家？
其他的就是说这个配置非常全，包括这个新风的新风侧有初中效加上高效，就是3重过滤。
OK。
3重过滤，当然这个我们也可以扩展杀菌的功能。这只是一款。
OK。
现代的一款，包括热回收，我们采取了一个。就是四个热回收芯体的一个长方形的一个排列，这个排列有一个很好的好处，就是这个缩短了它的高度。
Okay, so for this very powerful bidirectional ventilation system, I just want to show you that we have 4 pieces of heat recovery, as you can see. So why we design like this? Because as you know, we install it in the top of our home. So if this size will be small, that will be good for us to install it. So we use this design. So first, for this kind of machine, it's very powerful. It's not only for can purify the air because we have the pre-filter and HEPA filter inside. And the second, we have the compressor inside, so we can do the dehumidifier. And third, we have the full heat recovery inside, so we can just save the energy and it will not affect the efficiency for our indoor air conditioning. So after that, we also can control it by Wi-Fi or control it by the disk screen. So that will be really powerful and really, I think, very efficiency products for you to meet your requirement to kill the virus and to clean the air. So it's really nice. 还有没有什么？没有了，其他是吧 ？Okay, so today I introduced our ventilation system products for you. So we have totally 3 types. So first we have the bi-directional ventilation system and with 1 pipe. And second we have the first is the indirectional. The second is we have the bi-directional ventilation system with the exchange air. We have the like 4 pipes. And the third is we have the compressor inside. Also we can with the multifunctional with the air purifier, ventilation system, and a dehumidifier in this kind of machine. So finally, I just want to show you how to calculate which air volume you need to choose. So, David， 我想跟你就是给大家介绍一下我们怎么去选择我们这个新风的那个就是
选型。
对，新风的选型，就想给大家介绍一下。因为我们介绍了很多款机器嘛，可能大家对于我应该选多少风量的这个产品比较不太了解。So as we already introduced a lot of kinds of ventilation system to you, but a lot of customers may be asked, so how many air volume should I choose? So now David will show you how it works. OK? 就我们可能首先根据那个面积来的话，就比如说我们先按照它的面积是60
平是吧？后边有是吧？对，
但是我对
60平方米。
60平方米，对。For example, our space is like 60 square meters, and the higher is 3 meters. 就我们的高是3米，就 H 是3米，对 ，H 是3米。然后我来写吧。然后我们的人呢是10个人。就是 OK, so as we just emulate that in this space we have 10 person here. 我们来介绍，就是如果说以这个来计算的话，要怎么去计算它的那个新风的需求量 ？So how should we based on this situation? So how should we to calculate the air volume which we need?
那么第一种其实就根据我房间的面积，乘以房间的高度。这是房间的一个体积，
是不是用对，
这个是后面的一种算法。第一个就是我们先要计算一下房间的整体的一个容积，一个体积这个是60乘以3，那就体积就等于60乘以3，11等于180立方米，立方米，这个如果是家用环境的话，我们推荐的换气次数是0.7次那实际上就等于多少
？OK， 你计算，我来介绍一下。OK, the first calculation is if we like we use the space and we use the high data to calculate that in this space it will have the 180 millimeter for the whole space, and the exchange rate about one space is 0.7. So, we suggest you to choose the.
每一个小时我们需要在这么大的一个空间，我们需要126立方的一个新鲜的空气。
Oh, so in per hours we need 126 millimeter fresh air in one space.
对，那对应我们的设备，可能我们标准的设备就是150风量的，就可以了，这一款。
So it will be like we just need 150 air volume for the bidirectional or indirectional ventilation system. So this is the final data. OK， 这是一种计算方式。
对，这是第一种。那么第二种就是根据人数，根据人数。
So the second method is we need to depends on the person, how many person in this space.
那每个人的成年的人需要的是30立方米，每小时。
So for adults, it's need like 30 millimeter per hour for the fresh air. So it's like 10 person with the 30 millimeters, it will be 300.
对，它们相乘就等于300立方米。
It will be 300 millimeter per hour. Okay.
然后他们两个做比较，比如说同样的一个，我们要选大的。
Oh, so between you can see in the first method, we calculate that we need to use the 150 millimeter per hour, and in the second method, we need to use the 300 millimeter per hour. So we between these two methods, we will to catch the bigger size or big air volume. So finally, we need to choose this one, right? 就最终我们会选择这个是吗？
对，最终会选择300立方米。
Okay. Finally, we need to choose the 300 millimeter per hour. So like that, we need to give you the 300 air volume for this product. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So today I introduced our ventilation system type for you, and also we give you the method how to calculate the air volume. So if you have any questions, you just contact us, and you just give your home space or you just give your requirement, so we can customize for you. Okay, thank you for today online show for our ventilation system introduction. So see you then.